Hello there everyone, and welcome to the Live Your Dream Scrapbook Collection full reveal video. So first up in the collection we have the Live Your Dream 12x12 paper set. In this set there are 16 double-sided 12x12 cardstock sheets. So we have 16 unique designs and they are all double-sided, so you will be able to have 2 of each of these in your pack. So you can see all of the beautiful papers that we do have in here. They are all of different designs, really fun ones, and you do get 2 of each in there. Next up we have the Live Your Dream chipboard stickers. So this is a large pack, you're going to get it, it's double-sided, so each of these 2 sheets is 6 by 12 inches. There is a lovely array of different images and sentiments in this pack, and you can see that they're all sticky on the back, so you can adhere these really easily and quickly to your projects. Next up we have the Live Your Dream clear stickers. Again, this is a double-sided pack, so they are 2 sheets of 6 by 12 inches, and there are beautiful flowers and leaves in here. They're all see-through, so when you do pop these onto your projects, you're going to get a really great effect with them. And there are 31 pieces in this kit, so you can create lots of different designs and projects using it. Next up we have Live Your Dream Puffy Alpha stickers. Now this again is a large pack, it is double-sided. You can see that both the sheets here, they are 6 by 12 inches. It contains the alphabet in capitals and smaller letters for you to use on your projects. It contains 222 pieces and they are all self-adhesive to add to your projects. Next up we have the Live Your Dreams die cut embellishments. This is a really pretty pack that contains lots of different elements, some hearts, some words, banners, and even journaling blocks as well. So these are all specially die cut for you, so you don't need to cut these out in any way, shape or form. Great way to add to your projects. Next up we have the Live Your Dream epoxy buttons. Now these are very pretty. These are some of the favourite parts of the collection for me. So we have the wooden buttons which do have the adhesive little foam pad on the back, so they're really quick and easy to add onto all of your projects. We really do hope you like our newest scrapbook collection that can actually be used for cards as well. We really do hope that it inspires you and makes you want to create something really beautiful. Thank you so much for watching everyone, and we will see you again really soon. Bye bye.